Saudi Arabia has bombed, blockaded, starved, slaughtered thousands of Yemeni civilians in its war in Yemen. Yemen's healthcare system is now decimated, giving rise to lethal spread of coronavirus pandemic across the Yemen population. They repress and discriminate against Shia Muslims and other religions. They allow modern-day slavery for foreign workers. They continuously block democracy movements and support dictatorships around the world. Saudi Arabia's brutal record has only intensified since Mohammed bin Salman became crown prince in 2017. And it has been directly enabled by this administration. They have an extensive record of undermining global climate negotiations, and their state-owned oil company is the largest contribution to greenhouse gas emissions. As the world's leading democracy and purveyor of human rights, the United States should demand drastic changes to Saudi Arabia's dismal record of human rights violations, repression, war, and environmental destruction. At the very least, we should withdraw from the Saudi-led G20 summit and commit to making human rights reforms a condition of all future dealings with Saudi Arabia's government.